Okay, so that's just a quick one. Today I actually just want to show you that you can connect any USB MIDI keyboard to your Apple, and you basically just plug it in and then your computer actually recognizes the keyboard automatically. And to demonstrate it, I've used the GarageBand, which comes with every Apple, which comes free with every Apple. And now I've already chosen a 8-bit synthesizer. And then, of course, if you have such a MIDI keyboard, you can actually change the instrument. Of course, you could use GarageBand also just with your keyboard, but if you have an external keyboard like this one, makes it just easier. And you could also switch to guitar. Let's go to orchestral. What do we have here? Strings. String ensemble. Let's see how that sounds. Maybe need to make it a little bit louder. And now we have GarageBand open, and we have that piano running, and I'm using a soundbar which is connected via USB, via Bluetooth, so we hear the sound better. And so you see you can connect a lot of stuff to your iPhone via USB-C, and as I showed you before, you can also connect a keyboard at the same time, which is not an issue at all. And you could also connect a mouse or so yeah, just in case you didn't know that it's possible, it is possible.